अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, टिम्पल नॉलेज प्लेनेट से आपकी इंस्ट्रक्टर उमेरा अस्कर। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लॉ। As you know, constitutional law based on British constitutional law or American constitutional law. Please note that these topics that is so important. Salient features of British Constitution, sources of English Constitution, conventions, parliamentary sovereignty, House of Lords, House of Commons, cabinet system, prime minister, ministerial responsibility, rule of law. American constitutional law है salient features of American constitution, development of American constitution, powers of American president, election of American president, powers of Congress, Senate, system of check and balances, procedure of legislation, and judicial review. Stay tuned with us for further subject and more important questions. Thank you so much guys. Allah Hafiz.